Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends if it's not working? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we have a few ways to fix this. So the first one is check server status. Most of the time, server downtime or scheduled maintenance can affect your friends list on the game. So make sure that the server is live and running properly, and check if there's like outages in your area or other places. So next one is check your internet connection. Very self-explanatory. You need to make sure that you have a stable internet or Wi-Fi connection for you to be able to load properly or add friends properly on Monopoly Go. Next one is restart your game. So restarting Monopoly Go can help fix some of your problems while playing the game, including friends not showing up. So first, quit the Monopoly Go on your phone and close all other apps, and then restart your game and try to see if that works. Last one would be restart or update your device. Check if your phone has an update pending. If so, update your phone and see if that works, or restart your phone. Force restart. You know how to do it, whether you're an Android or an Apple user. You probably know how to restart your phone, so do that. And then after your phone has successfully restarted, make sure to check if the Monopoly Go friends thing is still not working. Most of the time, it will work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.